Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode and explain all of its settings on Black Shark 5 and Black Shark 5 Pro or any other Black Shark 5 series. So let's unlock this device. Here there should be a few ways we can access power saving mode, and the first one is to go to the settings. Here locate power saving. In battery assistant, right here. Next option is to scroll down the toolbar, and your icons might differ from mine, but here's battery saver and you can enable it. Also, by holding on to this button you'll get the access to the settings. So here also you can enable or disable it. And now let me explain you what happens when you enable this exact settings. So if you enable normal battery saver, you'll restrict activity of the system apps, so some of the system apps might not work as they always do, and there could be some network problems or uploading problems with some apps. So if something changes on your device on how the other apps act, that's because this mode is enabled. It will freeze apps in the background, so if you're playing any games or again uploading any photos in the background, I'm using photos as reference, it works on any other uploads as well, but it will freeze all of these processes. Next is to clear cache whenever device is locked. So if you, for example, right here we're in the settings, and if this mode is enabled and we lock our device, it will turn off this settings and clear the cache just as you would do right here. Next is to turn off the services and features with high power consumption like synchronization, and that's what I meant with the photos. Your automatic uploads will stop. Next is 5G networks, obviously, and race to wake. That's the setting you can enable or disable, and also network connection during screen break. Here we have optional optimization, which we can disable or enable, and there's don't wake screen for notifications, works when battery saver is on, turn off always on a display, and turn off always on display when battery saver is on. So you can either enable or disable the settings to your preferences. There's other settings which are turn off when charged, so if you charge your battery to at least 50%, this mode will turn off automatically. Schedule time to switch between modes. So here if you enable it, there will be more settings revealed, and here's start and end, so you can pick an hour when this mode will turn on automatically and when this will end. And that's basically it for all battery saver settings right here. Now let's go for the settings again. Find the battery saving. So here you have also some charging modes like even mode, intelligent charging speed adjustment. There's also ultimate mode. The phone temperature may rise when it's charged quickly. The charging speed will also be limited when the phone temperature is extremely high. So this will just improve the charging speed of your device depending on which setting you want to use. There's charging tips. Light up the screen to display the charging animation, and the screen will light up to display the charging animation when the phone is being charged and there's no notification, so you can enable or disable that. There's also some battery maintenance tips which you can read online right here. So if you care about your battery, make sure to read that article, as it may help you improve the battery lifetime for this device. So that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.